Daddy's taking me to the circus today, he promised. Oh no, I forgot to brush my teeth. Look, I got dressed, all by myself.
Ah, I can see that, and you did a very good job, but it's so early.
I don't want to be late for the circus.
The circus? Oh no, Caillou, that's not today. The circus has been cancelled this year because of the virus pandemic.
No, it's today. I got all dressed. It's today.
I'm sorry, Caillou. Come on, come downstairs and help me make breakfast.
No, I don't want to. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Silly all car. Willy-nilly silly all car. Silly. What on?
Caillou was in a very bad mood because the circus had been cancelled.
Caillou, stop all this racket. You woke up Rosie. I want you to come downstairs right now.
Even Caillou's daddy was starting to get angry.
Why can't I go to the circus? I want to go to the circus.
Let's make toast. We can cut it into little duckies, like Grandma does.
No, I don't want to make duckies. That's for babies.
Oh, whoa, Caillou, that tears it. You're being a spoiled, whiny, immature brat. You know that we can't go anywhere or do anything in public due to this pandemic. That's it. You are grounded for a million years. This means no TV, no playing outside, no seeing friends, no nothing, etc. And your punishment starts with no breakfast whatsoever. Go back up to your room right now and stay there.
Boris, stop all this racket. You woke me up. And you know that we're already suffering enough from this pandemic and the lockdown. Grounding Caillou just for throwing a fit will make it worse for him.
So what? I'm the supreme one in this family, and the one that takes disciplinary actions, especially on our dumpster fire of a son.
Not necessarily. In a way, it's like we're all already grounded with this pandemic shut down. The circus being cancelled is only the tip of the iceberg, so I guess we can say we are all grounded until a vaccine is made available in our area. This means no going out for events, no dining out, no park, no 75% more.
Yeah, Daddy, how do you like that?
Leave me alone while I go back to bed.
By the way, Mommy, why am I bald? I'm not a baby, I'm 4. Are kids just bald in Canada?
Okay kids, we can still have a nice hearty breakfast.